Hi guys, I'm going to be picking a winner in today's video for the 1000 subscriber yarn giveaway that I did 10 days ago now. So I have the YouTube random comment picker open here. I've pasted in a link to that video. So I'll press fetch, and I don't think I need to change anything here. Anything goes, that's with the comments, and we don't want to allow duplicates. So I'll press continue, and it's just loading the comments here. So the video got 108 comments. We'll click pick a winner here, and Lisa Aldrich. I hope I'm saying your last name correctly. It says, congratulations, thanks for the wonderful giveaway. Well, thank you very much for your kind words. And if you could email me at ashrosedesign@outlook.com. I'll also write the email address on screen here, and I'll just need your address. And I think that's everything I need from you. I might need your phone number as well when I ship it out. I'm not really sure, but we can discuss over email. So again, if you could just email me at that email address, and congratulations, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.